Magic Kingdom, and we're hanging out here in front of the purple wall to get some pictures. And Josh and I are actually here with Nate and Veronica. Unfortunately, though, Nate has to leave.
Gotta go.
Bye, Nate.
He had like a whole 30 minutes here today.
Yep.
And he spent it taking pictures of us.
He did.
We probably won't even like one of them.
I've been in the park.
Yeah.
So true.
Parking was a nightmare today.
It was.
Have fun.
Goodbye, Nate.
Bye.
So part of the 4th of July celebration is having this dance party out there in front of the castle.
Should have went for food the other night.
So we are camping out at a spot here in the hub.
Camping.
And basically we're just waiting for the fireworks to start. It's already kind of started to fill in. There's people waiting. They're doing photo pass right now over here by Roy and Minnie. And I'm pretty sure as soon as she leaves, like people are just gonna flock into right there.
I think that's what we're going to do.
And I'm gonna give a shout out real quick. So there's actually a family over here and they might not remember us, but Tremaine at Disney, YouTube, Instagram, we met you guys last year.
And it's almost in this exact
spot.
spot.
We're in like the exact same spot right across from them, which is hilarious.
Was Papa here last year?
Yes.
I think so.
We talked to them.
But just a couple things to keep in mind. If you're coming here for the 4th of July or, the day before, you should make sure to plan accordingly. It's super packed. They've got tape up already all over the place. And just be prepared. It's going to be busy. They actually have, what are those? They almost have like barricade fences out in front of the train station to help with the movement of traffic after the fireworks are over. So we're at the back just because once we finish watching the fireworks, we're going to book it out of here so that we don't get caught in a bunch of traffic back to TTC.
Veronica's trying to get my B-roll shot here.
And then you slowly turn it.
I could not even drink.
And then you keep turning.
Like, it's funny because...
And that is the Walt Disney World Couple shot.
Drinking.
Back and forth, Bob. Alright, so we've got about 5 minutes until the fireworks start. We got Anjo over here. We got Taylor back there.
Hi.
And we got Veronica right here.
Hi. I already said hi though.
That's okay.
I said hi when Taylor said hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
But we are ready for these fireworks to start. And they are, I don't think Josh said this, but these are 360-degree fireworks. So we will see them all around Magic Kingdom, and they are awesome. Okay, everybody, tell me how excited you are.
Are you talking to us?
Yep.
Right now?
Yep.
Start. I am so excited for these fireworks. I have only been to Walt Disney World one time. So I've been really pumped up for this.
She lies.
I'm very excited for the fireworks. 4th of July is my birthday, so like this is like a real treat for me. So I'm very excited, so let's do this thing.
Angel?
Very excited. I thought I was at Universal, but I guess I turned out to be over here, but I'm excited.
Tell us your band name.
No.
Is it time to go yet? These are probably some of the best fireworks all year long. They are really good.
Tonight, we celebrate the land of many people, a country that continues to grow, a nation of courage and independence. America, the beautiful.
What do you guys think?
I thought that they were great.
They were absolutely awesome.
Amazing.
I think it's time to go now.
Alright, so we are going to head out of this madness. It was nice seeing Taylor again. We actually met her on this exact same day last year.
Yeah,
Same spot. And so we are gonna leave to beat this hot mess
let's
over
go.
here.
So this is what to expect. It's a madness right now as we are trying to make our way over to the ferry. Tons of people who are leaving already. You can skip.
Oh yeah, that's what it was.
Veronica just got yelled at for barely running. But we're going to try to get to the ferry. We're not even going to bother with the monorail because it's just too much to risk. We didn't lose anybody.
No,
So
we're all
Andrew.
here. We're all here.
Where's
Okay.
Taylor? Other Taylor.
So they've already actually started doing a weave, as you can see, to try and manage the crowds.
Me neither.
So check out these new ferry boats. They're not new, but they're different. They're just like, these are transport boats that I've never seen them before. This one's called Fair Winds, and I guess it's just extra transportation. Isn't that right, Veronica?
What are we saying? I'm trying to repeat everything Josh is saying because I don't know what to say.
Nate's not here, so she's doing the best she can by herself. She's doing a fantastic job.
Oh, God bless you. Thanks so
Fantastic.
much. Maybe after this vlog, I'll come out on my own more.
There you go.
Yeah!
So we're getting onto the General Joe Potter here.
But we will be holding their cup.
We got on.
Going up the stairs.
I'm not going. I'm going around.